One of my friends went out once and he complained that he gave a girl his number, they exchanged numbers, whatever, and he thought, yeah, you know, I approached it, good game, blah, 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 blah. And then he turned around after about 2 minutes, she was giving out a number to other guys, and he was disgusted because he believes he's a great man, right? And he is. But she does not know that. I know just because you know and you believe you are a great person, the other person doesn't know that. It's not because you aren't, it's because there are a lot of fake people around. There are a lot of other guys that come across like they're great. So if she sees another guy who might just be on the same level as attraction to you, she's just going to judge you as the same as them, because she knows with experience that a lot of guys are full of crap. 99% of people are full of crap. There are some men out there who have this fake it till you make it mentality. I'm not faking nothing. This is the real deal here. Listen, you see this channel here? It's called JYS TV. I was going to call it Jay the Realist because I am the realist, but some other fake person decided to use that name first, so they got in there before me. But I don't blame that girl one bit for giving out her number to multiple different guys, because if I was a girl, I'll do the same thing. I'll give out my number, so long as I found the guys attractive, whatever. I'll give out my number to 5, 6 guys, whatever, and I'll just weed them out. I'll just pick them off one by one. Oh, he's a bit too clingy. Oh, he texts me too much, like he hasn't got a life. Oh, I didn't respond to his text and now he's angry. I just pick them off like flies. So yeah, the women are going to have that kind of like abundant mindset where they're just like, yeah, they don't care. No problem. Now, obviously, I'm going to use the term you have to prove yourself. Not in a way where you have to break out and start doing backflips on the dance floor. Oh yeah, you know, do all these amazing stuff for the woman. No, but you're going to have to set yourself apart from other men. I was out once, right? I got hooked up on this kind of blind double date thing. And we've gone out now. And we're playing pool and ping pong and all them things there. And there was this girl, she was all right. Now, obviously I didn't make a move on her because I was with a different girl. But I saw a few guys come up to her and approach her. Now, there was 2 girls. Let's say this one was light skin, one was a bit more darker. Let's say the light skin one was getting all the attention, right? So I saw a guy approach her. He got a number. And then about 5 minutes later, another guy was talking to her and stuff. Now, I would have done the same. I don't care if I've seen her give out her number to other guys. I know I'm the best, right? And if she doesn't believe that, then that's up to her. But I'll still make the approach. The way I would deal with it is, I'm assuming those guys would text her straight away, right? So what I'll do, I'll just wait a bit longer. Try and have that bit of an edge, you know. I would be a bit more unpredictable. That's it. But at the end of the day, right, if a girl's going to like you, she's going to like you, yeah? When she talks to me, she will know I'm different from them anyway. I don't really need to play no, oh, I'll wait a couple of days to text her. But I'll just do it for the sake of it. I haven't got nothing to lose anyway, because if she's giving out a number to 3, 4 guys on that day, what has she done the other day? She's an attractive girl. But there's no competition as well. I don't care about it. I don't care whether or not a girl's got 10 guys on her phone. I believe I'm the best. And if she don't believe that, and she can't see that, then that's up to her. It's not even her loss. It's just, you know what, we're not compatible. I don't have this stink attitude where, oh, you don't like me, it's your loss. Listen, that person don't give a damn about you, about, oh, it's your loss. They don't care. But yeah, if a girl's got 10 guys that she talks to, does not matter to me, because a lot of those guys she don't even care about. They just buffers. They just make up the free time. They're just there just for comfort. Oh, I'm bored. Yeah, talk to me. Oh, I'm bored. Take me out. So I wouldn't even take it seriously. If I know a girl's talking to other guys, I don't business. I believe I'm the best, and if she don't know that, then it is what it is. We're not compatible. Yeah. So if you know a girl that's talking to other guys, or you see her giving out a number to other guys, don't worry about it. Just believe you're the best, because you should believe you're the best. You should know you're the best, but you should have that image of being the best as well. So maybe dressing well. Don't mean you have to walk down the road in, yeah, you know, Gucci from head to toe and all that foolishness, but, you know, work on your appearance. Come across like a decent person, someone that's admirable, someone that if a girl walks down the road with you, she feels like, yeah, he's the man type of thing. So yeah, there's no competition out here. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.